Can I buy life insurance for my parents? Why would you want to buy life insurance on your parents? Are they providing you with an ongoing income that you will need after their death? Are you trying to protect a surviving spouse from loss of a pension? Normally, one buys life insurance if their life has a dollar value to their survivors. I have life insurance because my income is important to my wife being able to keep our home and our middle-class lifestyle, and if I were to die without life insurance she would have a hard time financially. When I was younger, I had life insurance to ensure my child would be able to continue his education and get a start in his adult life. Life insurance, indeed all insurance, is almost always a financial loser. You pay in, you're betting you're going to die, the life insurance company takes your money and is betting you aren't. If you die, great, you win the death lottery. If you live, the insurance company wins. The insurance company will always take in more than they pay out. Normally, one does not buy life insurance for one's parents. To do so, you would have to inform your parents that you are buying a policy. Your parents would have to fill out and get some forms notarized telling the insurance company that they agree to you buying insurance on their lives. Even with all that, if you are identified as the beneficiary of the policy, the insurance company may not agree to write the policy. Yes, you can absolutely buy life insurance on and for your parents. As they should, the insurance companies are going to examine the intent. Assuming there is nothing nefarious going on, there is no problem. I have many clients who insure their parents. It is an excellent way for parents to fund their children's retirements. It is also a great way for your parents to leave money to your children and relieve you of a big financial burden, for those who have children. There are many ways to pay the premiums. Some parents pay, some children pay, some people use trusts and others finance the premiums. In some cases, the parents pay and then recover their cumulative premiums when the proceeds are paid out. At www.lifecycleplanners.com, there is information about these options. The short answer is yes, you can buy life insurance for your parents. As indicated elsewhere, the application will be subject to underwriting, which means the question of insurable interest must be answered. Is the policy for final expenses, estate taxes, funding a trust for a special needs child? Any of these reasons are legitimate. Don't be concerned about premiums, policies are priced for age and gender. Without knowing your circumstances, you would want to consult with your parents first. Yes, typically you can do this, because you have an insurable interest in your own parents, even after you're grown and independent of them. Usually, an insurable interest is a temporary thing. For example, I can insure my 17-year-old because he lives in my household, but once he moves out, I may no longer have an insurable interest. But your parents are fairly permanent for most people.